Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is about Excel, one of the most popular functions that we have and one of the most useful. That is if function. According to the Microsoft support webpage, the if function is one of the most popular functions in Excel and it allows you to make logical comparisons between a value and what you expect. So an if statement can have two results. The first result is if your comparison is true. The second one, if your comparison is false. So let's go to our Excel file. And remember, all our Excel files, they are free and the link to download it is in our video description. So first of all, let's go to a very accounting problem here, accounting and finance problem about bonds, premium and discount bonds. How do we know if the bond is a premium or a discount? We compare bond's value with the face value. If bond's value is greater than the fair value, it is a premium bond. Otherwise, so if bond value is lower than face value, then we have a discount bond. So it is a classical if function. If this number is greater than this number, then it is premium. Otherwise, it's discount bound. We have two ways to do that. The first one is typing it. If, parentheses, and follow on. Very good if you know what you are doing and so on. If you don't, there is an easier way with the formula or function assistant. Just click here and type on all, check for if. So, oh, come on. All if formulas. Okay. Logical test. So what is our logical test here? If bond's value is greater than face value, so this is our logical test. What value if true? Value if true, double quote because we are typing a text, it is a premium, double quote. Value if false, so if bond value is lower than face value, we get a discount bound. Okay, this one is a premium, bond's value greater than bound value. It's only one bound. And we can copy and paste this formula and we have all of them done. Premium, discount, discount, premium, discount, discount, premium, premium, discount, and premium. Cool, huh? What if now I want a bonus? So I want to add numbers here. So we have some employees and how much they sold, how much is their sales revenue, and a bonus. So what is our bonus policy? If the employee sells more than $500,000, he or she will get a $2,000 bonus. So we have 6 employees: Mary, Robert, John, James, William, and Dorothy. By the way, I found this name on internet. These names were the most popular names in the US in 1920, 1 century ago. So okay, so let's go to our formula again. If formula, what is our comparison here? Logical test. If sales revenue above 500, then our bonus will be $2,000. Otherwise, our bonus will be nothing. Nothing for Mary, bonus for Robert, nothing for John, nothing for James, bonus for William, and bonus for Dorothy. Great. And we can also add formulas here. So for instance, $2,000 bonus plus 1% of the sales revenue. Okay, now better formula. So let's delete them here. Let's create a better one. So if you are watching this video, you already see the new formula on your Excel file. So just like a live video. So if sales, if it is more than $500,000, then how much will be the bonus? $2,000 plus the sales revenue times 1%. Whoops. Why it is false? Because it doesn't match our criteria and we assigned nothing for the false. So insert function, value if it is false, 0. So nothing for Mary, 7,400 for Robert, 7,198. Let's round this number. $7,200 for William, 7,750 for Dorothy. Great, huh? Now the performance, a good or bad performance, a good or poor performance. If the employee sells more than the average, the performance is good. Otherwise, it's a poor performance. Now we need a formula for our if formula. So okay, insert function, if logical test, if this sales revenue greater than average, so the average is average on this one, and we want to lock this one, because if we don't do that, when we copy and paste for the other employees, this formula will be wrong. How do we fix it? Press F4 or add dollar signs before the letter and before the number. So if it is above average, we had a good performance. Otherwise, we have a poor performance. So Mary, I'm sorry, you got a poor performance. Let's copy and paste. Good performance for Robert, poor performance for John, for James. Good for William, good for Dorothy. So here we have, or let's consider that Dorothy, our best employee, well, 1 million. Then only she was the one with good performance. The other two here, even with bonus, poor performance, because Dorothy was an outlier here. But let's go back to the 575. Okay, guys, and now only to finish it, let's retype it using only the keyboard and not the formula assistant. So how do we do? Equal if. Now the logical test. Sales revenue greater than $500,000, comma, value if it is true. So if it is true, our sales more than 500,000, then the bonus will be 2,000 plus sales revenue times 1%. And close parentheses. Oops. Let's do it again. It's missing the false condition. So if sales greater than $500,000, then $2,000 plus revenue times 1%. Otherwise, so comma, 0. So test value, comma, value if true, comma, value if false. Close the parentheses, nothing here. Copy and paste, we get our numbers. Okay, guys, cool, huh? Cool and easy. And we can add if formulas inside another if formula. So that is quite of a logical problem, more than Excel problem. But you can add up to 7 if formulas inside one if formula. So if that happened, then if again, then if again. But it is only with practice. So practice it, and I am pretty confident that you will be good. However, if you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Subscribe to our channel. Have a very nice day and God bless you.